Hey guys, Leela's Tools here, back with another tool haul, and wow, is this something. I went to the big city today. Not that I don't go there often, but I went in a different part of town I haven't been in almost 2 years, and I hit up some pawn shops, and did we find some gems or what? So right first off, I don't know if you guys can see it, we got the socket surprise box. We got 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. They wanted $5 a piece. I got all 3 for $12. No idea what's in them. They say that's a 3/8 Imperial. Who knows what we're going to find? It could be full of gems. It could be full of garbage, but who knows? We'll have a video just on these, opening them and going through them. But let's get into everything else. So right back here, I stopped into a thrift shop I've never been to, and I picked up this Distin Canada, Mississauga, Ontario, Canada, and you can see the Distin emblem there. Absolutely gorgeous saw. $2. And I would not know about Distin saws if it weren't for 357 Magdad and also Scout Crafter. So shout out to those guys. Before I left for town today, got one thing in the mail. Got a warranty from Proto. 5/8 combo wrench, gorgeous wrench. I did a video on Proto's warranty yesterday, so real good warranty from those guys. Thank you, Proto. And right here, I'll just show you what this said on it. So you see it was at the pawn shop for a while. We're in the mid of February now. You wanted $33 for this, and this is a Ghidorah. Look at this beauty. This is a 24 inch. Gedore or Ghidorah. There's your number. It is a 215 or 220 number 225 24, and you can see right there, made in Germany. We have a not factory pivot here, but it does work. It does need some cleanup. It's been used as a hammer and whatnot, but geez. And, oh, I was showing you the $33 I wanted. I got it half price. I got it for $16. So, there's that guy. Only one wrench for today. And here we have a Dreadnought Canada. I might do a video about Dreadnought and gray and whatnot one day. There's that guy. This was a score. This would have cost me about $3, I think. This is a Blue Point. Not sure if it's Taiwan or what. Kinda does look like a Baco, but we'll see. Nice wrench there. I picked up a little gray Stubby. You can tell it was gray because I have another one just like it I picked up recently. You see here, well, you can tell that was a gray indeed. So there's that guy. Pardon me. This needs a good cleaning and polishing. This is a Proto USA, little slotted Stubby. Here we've got a Proto Phillips number 2. How does this one fit? How's the tip on it? It's still in usable order, not great though. I have another Proto exactly the same here, and the end of the tip is broken right off. And Proto's warranting this for me. You can see it is actually the exact same. And there's that guy. We got my first experience with this brand. I've seen it on some of the other tool guys channels, but this is a Red Devil USA. This is a little glass cutter. There's that guy. Cool little find. Pardon me. I think this is almost new old stock. Look at this. This is a 3/32 Bondhouse USA hex key, L key, L wrench, whatever you want to call it, and it's got a sticker on it, $1.65. Let's say House of Tools. 073, 7th month, 2003 maybe? Who knows? I've never heard of this place, but very cool. And a couple of other Bondus L keys here. 050 and a 5/64. Like new. That's awesome. Let's go over this guy real quick. Another thrift shop. This is the only thing I found at that shop. This is a wind meter. I can't figure out how to get this open right now. It says to pull flange, but I'm thinking, I don't know if this is a one-time use or what it is, but it's vintage and it's cool. I don't know if you guys can make it out, but it says DWYER, Dwyer Instruments, Incorporated, Michigan City, Industrial, USA. I think it's almost like a business, like an address, sorry. Yeah, there's that guy. It's like $2 or $3. That's cool. Just a vintage piece for the shop, just to have around. Let's see the sockets. Some we actually don't see a lot here. Cobalt brand. I mean, it does exist, but there's not a lot of it here, unlike in the States. But this is a Cobalt 1.25" half-inch drive deep impact, which goes right there. So my half-inch drive SCE deep is complete. Right on. Picked up a couple of these half-inch drive 12-point Craftsmans. These are EE series, EE and an ST. I think they're USA, I don't know, but I actually don't need these. I thought I did, but I don't. This one I do need. This is a Gray Canada 5/8 deep half-inch drive 12-point. This is cool. This is one of the modern Milwaukee sockets, the square. So it can take a wrench. I believe it's a 22 or 7/8 that goes on there, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, that's cool. Pick that guy up. We got here another Craftsman. Say 3/8 deep 12-point 13/16 EE series. I do believe I need that guy. Here we got a Ultra Pro, which is a Napa brand. It's like your Carlisle. This is a half impact swivel 21mm. It'll come in handy. I should have picked up the rest of these. They had a couple more sizes, the same brand and whatnot, but a pawn shop I wasn't familiar with. I didn't know what they were going to charge me. So here we have just a Jet brand 5/8 hex socket, half-inch drive. Pardon me. Always nice to find some of these guys. It's an Industrial Super 9/16 half 12-point. This is an interesting one. This is my second tool in this brand. This is a None Better, made in USA. A 3/4 half 12-point. I might have it handy here. There we go. Look at this. This is my None Better, made in USA breaker bar. So it now has a friend. How cool is that? This is actually perfect to keep in your car for your lug nuts and whatever. That's pretty sweet. So it's that guy. If any of you know who made None Better or whatnot, or where it was sold, let me know. I think it's kind of neat brand. Just another socket I need for the collection. Nothing special, just the Taiwanese, but it's brand new. It's a 9/32 12-point quarter. Here we have a nice old SK USA 8mm. Good shape. Another one I thought I needed, but I didn't. This is a 9/32 quarter 12-point Craftsman EE. What we got here? This guy's gonna have to go out for warranty. It's all rounded out, and it hasn't looked like it's been on the impact too much, at least. 7/16 Mac. There's that guy. Here we have a Challenger Canada Proto 5/16 12-point half or 3/8 drive. Save that for a second. And same with that guy. This isn't too special. This is just a Mastercraft Taiwanese made, but it's a like new, and it's the 3/4 drive shallow 22mm or 3/8 drive. Sorry, it's a big size for that. And I believe I have a 3/8 22, but it's in rough shape. So there's that guy. We always got to have a snappy snap-on. So there's one of them guys. Snap-on 9/16, made in Canada. It's really weird. It's like it's got shellac over top of rust. Feels and looks really odd, but there's that guy. I believe, I thought when I grabbed this, I thought it was Gray Pneumatic, but I think this is a Chicago Pneumatic or Central Pneumatic, but it is a made in USA socket. This is a 9/16 half impact. So same as that guy. They do look remarkably similar, don't they? Look at that. Very similar. Other than the outside, of course. Here, just you never have enough 10 millimeters. It's a 10 millimeter Husky USA made. There's that guy. Here we have a Challenger of Canada. I have a few wrenches that are branded like this, but not too many sockets. It's interesting. Here. You can tell it's a Proto because the same part numbers. It's a 5/8 12 point. And this guy here, I think I need this for a set. This is a 7/8 Husky USA 12 point. So guys, that is the haul. Oh, hold on. Hold on. You know, we got the Ghidorah. So, you know, to have something else special too. Look at that. Hazet, Germany. Or Hazet, as some of you may say. Chrome vanadium. Not just gorgeous though. It's rough. They won't warranty this. It's not how they work, but you don't see this here. This is old Germany tools in the middle of nowhere in Canada. It's awesome. So that's just something awesome in the collection. Just like this Ghidorah pipe wrench. And this is amazing. Someone was as happy with this as I was to find they marked it here. Almost kind of a cool marking, really. This is a hex. It's used, but it's in great condition. Look at that, guys. Stahlwille. In hex for chrome alloy Germany. And a half drive, too. On a 4. This is just so cool. I know if you guys collect tools like I do, you'd geek over stuff like that too, but it's just what it is. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for the socket surprise. It's going to be fun. Thank you for, so much for all the subscribers. We're over 207 subscribers now, so right on, guys. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next one. And remember, guys, take it easy.